In India, nearly 60% of the population is dependent on agriculture, of which almost 80% are smallholder farmers. These 118 million smallholder farmers of India are constantly surrounded by problems such as high cost of cultivation, poor post-harvest infrastructure, exploitation by intermediaries, low price discoveries, mounting debts, and lack of market linkages. These issues threaten their livelihoods and thus also their very lives. Therefore, it's no wonder that given an alternative, more than 76% of Indian farmers would want to leave farming, which could lead to a national food crisis for the 1.3 billion people of India. This is the story of one such smallholder farmer, Radha, and her journey from distress to prosperity. Radha is a smallholder farmer from Varud village of Yavatmal district, Maharashtra. She toils day in and day out on her 2-acre farm. With great hope, she harvests her crop every year and takes it to the government mandi to sell it. And every year, her hopes are shattered as she receives a meager price for her produce, which barely covers her agri-input expenses. This pushes her deeper into the vicious debt cycle that generations of her family have been stuck in. During her monthly self-help group meeting, she hears about the Gramhit Mandi in the village where farmers are fetching good prices for their produce. She gets to know that now she has the option of adding value to her produce through primary processing. By availing facilities of cleaning, grading and packaging in her village, she can increase the price of her produce multifold. Also, she can even store her produce at the Gramhit Mandi and avail credit against it. She quickly downloads the Gramhit Mandi app on her phone and receives daily price information and price trend analysis, based on which she decides to visit the Gramhit Mandi one day. At the Gramhit Mandi, the self-help group women who are Gramhit's operational partners inform Radha about the various options available to her. Firstly, she can sell her raw produce immediately at the current price or store it at the Gramhit Mandi until there is a seasonal price rise. Secondly, she can process her produce and sell it immediately or store it for more significant gains. She decides to process her chickpeas and store them at the Gramhit Mandi till the prices increase. Here, her produce is weighed on the digital weighing scale and quality determined at the quality analysis lab. She gets a detailed warehouse storage receipt and quality analysis report on her mobile app, ensuring absolute transparency in the price determination process. Further, she avails post-harvest credit against her stored produce to repay credit given by agri-input sellers and manage her upcoming season's crop expenses. She monitors daily price information on her phone and observes the increasing price trend for chickpeas. While working on the farm one day, when the price is favorable, she decides to sell her produce through the app. Gramhit's unique process innovation ensures that she retains her ownership of the produce until she decides to sell it, while guaranteeing the retailer's bulk supply. Radha receives the payment for her produce directly into her bank account within 24 hours. Gramhit Mandi app's update provides her with the new feature of Farmer's Expenses Diary, which she regularly uses to maintain her expenses. Based on her data, she receives personalized, real-time advisory services which help her place orders on the app for reasonably priced agri-inputs such as seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. After Radha's association with Gramhit, her overall income increased by over 40% due to better price realization and reduced expenses and losses. She cleared all her debts over the years and successfully emerged out of the debt trap, becoming an epitome of hope for 118 million smallholder farmers of India. Gramhit is on a mission to secure the livelihoods of many such smallholder farmers like Radha by making farming profitable. In the coming 3 years, we will be scaling up our services of primary processing, storage, post-harvest credit, agri-input supply and market linkages. By doing so, we will be positively impacting the lives of more than 20,000 farmers across 11 districts of the Vidarbha region in Maharashtra. We hope you'll join us in building such an ecosystem that enables every smallholder farmer in India to cultivate with dignity and feed the world with pride.